All right. Hello, everyone. This is still Friday, December the 11th. And yes, I look very different than this morning. I always have two parts of my day. One is our mornings, get up, I shower, I get dressed, I do a little professional development via YouTube in the mornings, each morning from about 5 to about 7. Then at 8, do a group conference call via Zoom, where myself and about 20 other real estate agents gather on the phone and we learn something daily. Whether it comes from me, it comes from another agent, if it comes from an educator, a special guest coach, or sometimes it's through a recording, something like the National Association of Realtors national conference. So I bought the recordings. Sometimes we watch those. Basically, we pull together, we come together, we meet every single day, Monday through Friday, and we learn something. We pour into each other. Okay, that's the first part of my day. Then the second part of my day is again spent learning. Evidently, I have a lot of learning time, or what I've been told is thinking time. I have a lot of thinking time and a lot of preparation time. Hence, I wanted to come today. I'm going to talk to my 21 peeps about what's up with next week, and also just determine that, a lot of times we have problems finding planners and day planners and that kind of thing. But I found the perfect planners, a project planner, a teacher's planner. I find being a coach, team leader, a leader, period, of your own life and anyone else's life, a family, or anything else, that a teacher's planner seems to work better. And I'm going to, over the next couple of weeks, tell you how and why you can use planners to help you shift your life into a better place, okay? Or transition, okay? Let's talk about transition and building. Over the next few weeks, few months, we're going to talk about transitioning and building. And so earlier this morning, I guess after the 8 o'clock, I do a lot, y'all. I do a lot. After the 8 o'clock and before right now, it's 2:10. Before right now, I attended a session with Eric Ward. Think that's the correct pronunciation, but he's GoPro basically. Recruiting, network marketing, teaching, writing books. He's made or helped us or people become millionaires using network marketing and the professional development within network marketing. So I took a page of notes, you guys better believe. I took a page of notes and I wrote down some things that I'm going to do, things that he says to do over the next 3 weeks, while I still have so much thinking time and time to prepare for July of 2021. Okay. Tell my story. These are some of the things. Tell my story. I think I released a video recently that told a little bit of my story. Okay. But I'm going to continue on connecting with people, connecting in relationships, opportunity, presenting opportunities, call to actions. I have a little expertise there. Confidence. I'm known for confidence. So I'm going to do a session called My Confidence Went Up. All right. Game plan, game over, game on. That's all something I can do. Skill-based trainings. I've done plenty of those. I will continue. How to inspire confidence. A lot of people I run into or talk to, they lack confidence, and it's really about self confidence. So if we could help people build up their self confidence, I think we can move further and further and further along the way. Let me just see something here. Yep. Okay. We still good. I did not see the recording button. See, y'all, I'm practicing. I'm just doing it. I'm practicing. But I didn't see that recording button. I don't have my glasses on either. That's probably why. All right. Social media, duplication, leadership, leading yourself. That's the most important. Over the last couple of weeks, I talked to a few people who just were not leading themselves, but they wanted to lead others. So we stopped for a second and we're talking about leading yourself. So I'm going to expand on that. Think big, big, beyond inner growth. Think big. Okay, that's going to be a topic. Hiding your power. Stop hiding your power. That's what Eric said. We're hiding our power. Expand your imagination. That sounds good to y'all, right? Coming from me. Expand your imagination. I'm going to get imaginative on that one. Why not me? Why not me? Irrational decision making. Oh, shucks. That sounds like me, right? I am going to be number one and nobody can stop me. Let me repeat that. I am going to be number one and no one can stop me. Okay. Transformation. Again, I am the prize. I think a lot of you have heard me say, I am the prize. I know I'm the prize. Okay. So let me help you say the same affirmation and believe it and create it and make sure it's true. I am the prize. Okay. Work on you. Again, you're hearing a lot of self transformation, a lot of self development here that I'm going to help with. Go faster. Faster. How do you go faster? Model success. So find someone that's successful, find a mentor, find a coach, right? 3 steps. It's real simple. If you want to go fast, you want to put your foot on the gas and go fast, fast, fast. You need to do those 3 things. Don't explain to me how you've made it this far without those 3 things, because guess what? I don't care. I know how much further you can go with those things. So just do it. Try it. Just do it. Don't talk about it. Just do it. Current versus desired. That's a big one. Current, what is your life currently and what do you desire and what's the roadmap to get there? I'm going to develop that on YouTube as well. Rate yourself. I want to teach you how to rate yourself. I asked somebody a question the other day on a scale of 1 to 10. How do you feel about your life right now? And they said a 10. I said, you a liar. You a liar. 10 means you have no room for improvement. Everybody has room for improvement. I'm sorry. Everybody has room for improvement. Y'all know that number 8? 8. Because there's a 9 and a 10, 11, 12. There's so much more to me. I'm probably between a 7 and 8 right now because there's so much more to me. Matter of fact, let's just start at 6. I'm gonna say I'm a 6 today. You know why? Because I want to go. I want to raise the bar up to those levels. I want to become a 10. So I'm going to continuously fluctuate between 6 to 8. 8, 9, 10. There's always room for more. Okay. I'm never going to say a 10. Okay. I'm never going to say a 10. I suggest you don't say 10 either because 10 means you're finished, you're done, you stopped. Don't stop moving. I say let's get moving for a reason because there's always more. Okay. Again, I this was in here a couple of times. Duplication and social media. Duplication, multiplication, and social media. Y'all, we got a lot to talk about. Next week on our 8 a.m. call, we are going to talk about dramatic transformations. I had that written down for the 14th and the 15th, actually. That means I got a lot in store for you. Dramatic transformations, okay? And on the 16th and 17th, another 2 big days, is growing your business using social media. So those are our topics. That's what we're going to talk about. And again, here, thanks, Eric and GoPro. I appreciate that complimentary session today. Lots more to come because I did make some special purchases dealing with GoPro. So lots more to come. Lots more of me to come. You guys are going to get me as long as you stay tuned and don't forget to hit subscribe. But you guys want to be a part of this. You want to stay tuned. And for more, guess what? I get to do this now in a YouTube video. I have some stuff below this video. Take a look at those links. Click through the links. Find out all about Nakia. There's so much more. More Nakia below. Click the links below. I just like doing this. So I'm going to keep doing it until we hang up. Everybody have a wonderful weekend. I have a lot of work to do. This book, my project planner, will be full over the next few weeks. I thank you for tuning in. I like this board here. I'm going to change my background. I told y'all before I didn't like the green screen, but I think I like this video what do you call it? Video filter. I think I like that. I may do this more. This may become my signature. All right, y'all. Thank you for tuning in. If you would like to connect with me, of course, social media, look for Moving with Nakia. Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Okay. Oh, and even TikTok. I'm on TikTok. Who knows what I might do over there? Right now, I'm doing a lot of photos and videos, but I might do a dance or two. If y'all get to 1,000 subscribers on this YouTube, I will dance on TikTok. Okay. Challenge, game on. Y'all ready? Let's get moving. I will talk to you guys soon. Thank you for tuning in.